In this video, I'll guide you through how to convert a PDF to Google Docs using Google Drive. If you've ever received a PDF you needed to edit, copy text from, or collaborate on with others, turning it into a Google Docs file is one of the quickest and most accessible solutions. All you need is a Google account and access to Google Drive. First, make sure you're signed into your Google account and open Google Drive in your web browser. You can get there by typing Google Drive into your search bar or by using the apps menu from another Google service like Gmail. Once Drive is open, you'll see your folders and any existing files you've already stored there. To begin the conversion process, you'll need to upload your PDF to Google Drive. Look toward the top left of the screen and click on the New button. In the menu that appears, choose File Upload. This will open a file browser window on your computer. Navigate to the location where your PDF is saved, select it, and then click Open. Google Drive will start uploading the file, and you'll see a small status window in the bottom right corner showing the upload progress. When it's finished, the PDF will appear in your Drive, usually at the top of your file list if you're sorting by most recent. If you prefer, you can also drag and drop the PDF straight from a folder on your computer into the main area of your Drive. Drive will upload it just the same, and again, you'll see a confirmation when it's done. Once the PDF is in your Google Drive, the next step is to open it with Google Docs so that Drive can convert it. Find the PDF you just uploaded. You can scroll to locate it or use the search bar at the top of Drive by typing the file name. When you see the file, right-click on it. This will open a context menu with several options. From this menu, move your cursor over the Open With option. A small submenu will appear. In that submenu, click on Google Docs. At this point, Google Drive will start converting the PDF into a Google Docs document. Depending on the size and complexity of the PDF, this may take a few moments. After the conversion is complete, a new tab will open in your browser with the content of your PDF displayed as a Google Docs file. You can now edit the text, change the formatting, insert images, and share the document with others just like any other Google Doc. It's helpful to know that conversion works best with text-based PDFs. If your PDF is made up of scanned images or has complex layouts, tables, or unusual fonts, the formatting may not be perfect and you might need to clean it up manually. The original PDF will still remain in your Drive, and the new Google Docs version will be saved separately, typically using the same name with a Docs icon next to it. You can rename the new document, move it into a folder, or download it later in other formats such as Microsoft Word or a new PDF. That's all there is to it. You upload the PDF to Google Drive, right-click the file and select Open With, then choose Google Docs. Once it opens, your PDF is converted and ready to edit, share, and collaborate on in Google Docs.